Hello, today we will guide you through how to display HTML on page in Confluence. In this walkthrough, we'll open an existing Confluence page, switch it into edit mode, and insert a code block so HTML can be shown clearly on the page. This is useful when you want readers to view the HTML itself, rather than have Confluence try to interpret or render it. To begin, open Confluence and go to the page titled Getting Started in Confluence. This will take you into the space where the example content is located. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand navigation panel and find Sample Page. Click Sample Page to open it. After the page opens, select Edit. This will place the page into Confluence's editing view, where you can add or change content. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all formatting options are available before continuing. Now click into the area of the page where you want the HTML to appear. Type/code. In Confluence, typing a slash brings up the Quick Insert menu, which is a fast way to add different content to elements without searching through the toolbar manually. From the list of options that appears, choose Code Snippet. This inserts a dedicated code block onto the page. A code block is important here because it preserves formatting and displays code in a readable way, making it much easier for others to review the HTML. Next, find the language selector, which may initially say Detect Language, and click it. This setting tells Confluence how to label and format the code block. In the language field, enter HTML. Choosing HTML helps make the snippet more clearly identified for anyone viewing the page, and it can also improve readability inside the editor. With the code block now set to HTML, paste in your sample code. Make sure the code is placed directly inside the snippet area, not outside of it. If needed, take a quick moment to review the pasted content and confirm the formatting looks correct and complete. Keeping the code inside the proper block helps avoid display issues and ensures the HTML is presented exactly as text on the page. Once your code is in place, you're ready for the next action in your normal editing workflow. At this stage, the HTML has been added to the Confluence page in a clean, readable format using the code snippet macro. That's the full process for displaying HTML on a page in Confluence. Following these steps helps keep your code organized, easy to read, and clearly separated from regular page content.